What's going on with the shift in the housing market? I've got my honest opinion on this, and I'll give you my bottom line opinion. Remember, informed clients make better decisions. And stick around, there's a fun surprise at the very end. How do you do? It's me, Burchard, the Desert Boathouse Realtor here in the Palm Springs area. I record and post content here about the greater Palm Springs region real estate market, city and economic information, useful buyer and seller info, tips, as well as desert attractions and events, because I believe that knowledge is power. Check back because I upload new content every Wednesday. So here's what's going on in the market for July 2022. Valley-wide single-family homes closed at $700,000, which is up 19.3% over last year. It's unchanged from last month, which was $700,000. Condos, $479,500, which is up 25.1%. That's down slightly from last month and down from the previous month as well. The good news is the months of supply is increasing. Currently, we're at 1.9 months, which is up 171.4% over last year. And it's the culmination of the last few months of additions to the inventory. Current days on market is 24 days, which is down 4% over last year. Wow, not much of a jump from last year. We'll talk about that later. Inventory is just above 1,600 units, which is 95.8% over last year. That's almost double what we had last year. We've gained a lot more inventory over the past few months with the slowdown due to higher interest rates, and we're seeing that inventory back at pre-pandemic norms. Unit sales dropped again, which was 861 units for last month, and it was 923 units the month before that. That's down 23.7% over last year. Again, back to our pre-pandemic unit sales normals. There is still a lack of supply in all price ranges, which continues to impact the level of potential sales. We expect the prices to more closely follow our seasonal norms, so we're going to see things slow down a little bit as we enter into the winter, perhaps even more so due to the economic drivers. The forces that have been driving the higher prices, low inventory, and high demand continue to dominate our market. Although it is slowing down, the demand isn't quite as strong, but the demand is still there. As mentioned in other of my videos, the rising interest rates are changing affordability for the lower price point buyers, and it's continuing to decrease some of the inventory strain on that end of the market. That is clearly illustrated with these statistics. If you have any questions, I'd love to speak with you one-on-one. All my information is below. My conclusion? This is a great time for sellers. Still a challenging time for buyers. However, properties are staying on the market a bit longer. Pre-pandemic days on market averaged between 50 to 60 days. We're still way below that at 24 days. Give me a call, text, or email. I'm Burchard, the Desert Boathouse Realtor, taking the knots out of real estate. If you have any questions about real estate here in the Palm Springs area, I'd love to speak with you one-on-one. Just click the Contact Stefan link in the description. Please like, comment, and share this video, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that bell so you don't miss my next video. And now, check out this video about short-term vacation rentals. Are you wondering what's going on in the real estate market in Palm Springs? Me too! Okay, let's get serious. Are you wondering what's going on? What's going on with the... Dun, 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 dun. Bye-bye!